Elmo, it's here outside. Ay, you bring your baby. Why? You want to come in my room? Elmo? I cannot live here inside my room. Because I'm not here inside. You protect him. Be down. Be down, Elmo. 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 Hello, Elmo. Lay down, lay down. How can I drink milk your baby? Lay down. Very good. Like that. Very good.